Hello, Claudia here. Today we're gonna see, I'm gonna do a flip through to the end of the one that I was doing, copying this one. And I have seen a lot of comment that you guys cannot hear me. I really try my best. I'm so sorry about that. Right now I feel like I'm yelling. If that's the case, please, so sorry. I'm just trying to fix a problem. I don't have a microphone. I have only my headphones and the phone to do the video. So I'm doing my best, and I really appreciate that you let me know. Okay, so let's go with the one that we were working before. And so here it is. Let me open it. Okay, so let's do a flip through to the book. I just put something in each page. Is nothing special. I did cover the back. I don't know, I hope you can see it. I did cover the back, and here we have a tag in the pocket. Oops, here I put another cascade. And here is another flip. Here is another one. This one has two little flaps here. And this one ended here. So I decided to put this tool as a closure because when I did my, actually this one goes this way. When I did my closure, my front cover, I didn't think about my closure, and so I couldn't put the same closure because I didn't have the space. So I decided to go with the tool. It's in the back here. You can move it. You can move it here. So if you want to, if you don't like it when you receive it and you want to remove and put another closure, you can do it. And so here it is, 1 and 2. This one was very short. I just hope that you can hear me, and I hope that you enjoy the project. Thank you. Bye-bye.